Two dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting a 4 or a 10? Is it A, 11 out of 36, B, 1 out of 18, C, 1 out of 3, D, 1 out of 6, or E, none of these? Okay, we have two dice being rolled. Each dice has 6 numbers, so we have 36 combinations there. So our combinations are going to be out of 36. Below you can see that I've made a table. The numbers going across represent the numbers on one of the dice, and the numbers going down represent the numbers on the other side of the dice. We need the probability of getting a 4 or a 10. So, let's see. Probability of getting a 4. Well, let's look at that. On the chart, I've shown 3 different ways we can get a 4. One dice can roll a 1 while the other die rolls a 3. One can roll a 2 and the other one can also roll a 2. And then we can have a set of dice where one has rolled a 3 and the other one has rolled a 1. So that gives us 3 different possibilities of getting a 4. So that would be 3 out of 36. The second part of the question says, or a 10. So let's look at the probability of rolling a 10. If we also take note to the table down below, I've shown the combinations of a 10. We can have one of the die rolling a 4 while the other rolls a 6. That will give you a combination of 10. Both dice can roll a 5, which will give you a combination of 10. Or one dice can roll a 6 and the other one will roll a 4. So again, we have 3 out of 36. Okay, so now that we know that the probability of a 4 is 3 out of 36 and the probability of a 10 is 3 out of 36, it's important to note that it says or. So we need to write our equation down here. We want the actual of a probability of a 4 or a 10. So that would equal the probability of 4 plus the probability of 10. Well, we've already determined that our probability of getting a 4 would be 3 out of 36 plus the probability of getting a 10 is also 3 out of 36. That equals 6 out of 36. Remember, we need to reduce. 6 will go into 6 one time. 6 will go into 36 6 times. So our answer here now then would be D. The correct answer is D. 1 out of 36. D.